Hey guys, today me and my friend Josh are filming a video. We're gonna be doing a Nerf war, and we're gonna have 5 rounds. It's gonna be a one-shot kill, and it's gonna be best 3 out of 5. So whoever wins the most, well, they won't get a prize, but we're just doing it for fun. So let's do this. Okay, so let me just type my Nerf on the mount. Okay, let's do this. So we have some extra darts in case we run out. Okay, so I'm gonna start at that tree. You can start behind that tree. Let's go. It's gonna be one-shot kill. Let's do this. Ready, set, go! That's too bad. I'm using the striking he's using. You didn't even shoot anything. I know. Okay, reload. I used like all my darts. Can you pick up all my darts?
Chelsea. Oh, no. Chelsea, drop. Here you go. Here's a wet one.
Because it goes in Chelsea's mouth.
Alright.
There's some there. There's a bunch here. If I don't have 18, I'll just get some from the bag because I'm probably going to lose a lot in there. But
You got like that. That good stuff, man. Like I got a freaking shotgun. Oh, crap.
You just put one of them in.
Here.
Why didn't you even shoot it all? Okay.
You were so far away.
I'm going to cut this part out of it. So. Okay guys, we're back and we're gonna start a new round. This time, Josh, you go over there. I'm gonna go over here. Ready, set, go! Where's he going? Did I hit you? Oh, that was quick. This is less editing for me. Hey, get off. Dog. Very interruptive dog.
Yeah. Chelsea distracted me.
She wants to get all the fame, steal all my subscribers to Chelsea Tube. Jackbox 327. Go back there. Okay, so now it's 2. I'm winning. It's 2. Ready, set, go! Uh-oh. Yes! Oh, dang it, he won. Finally. Okay, so it's now 2-1 me. Where are my doors? Here's some. I'm starting over here now. We're switching every time. I need some more darts. Okay, guys, Josh might win. Okay, leave in the comments who you guys think is gonna win. Oh, and by the way, I have the strife and he has the rough cut.
Yep.
You guys don't want to know. I have the Elite XD strife. He has just the regular rough cut. Let me pick up all these darts. I just fell, broke my ankle. Okay. It's just get some out of the bag. It's okay. Please say this won't jam. Well, it's gonna jam if I don't fix it. Okay. So it's either Josh or Jack. Who's gonna win? No, I go over there this time. Oh, I found another dart. Josh, can you put that in the bag? Here's another one. I'll just put it back when I get back. Ready? Go! This round decides who's gonna win. Champion of the world. Okay, that's it for today's video. So I guess Josh won. What are your words of victory?
Fight me.
Yeah, fight him. Okay, bye guys.